Welcome back. We've used list comprehensions to transform lists. Now, let's unlock their more power by adding a conditional filter. This allows us to both iterate over a list and select only the elements that meet a specific criteria. We'll start by finding all the even numbers in a sequence. 1. The traditional filtering method. To filter out the even numbers using a for loop, we again start with an empty list. Inside the loop, we check the condition, if the number modulo 2 equals 0. Only if this if statement is true do we append the number to the new list. This requires 4 lines of boilerplate code to achieve simple filtering. 2. Filtering with list comprehension. The list comprehension is much more direct. The syntax for filtering places the if condition at the end after the for loop statement. It reads, for every number in numbers, include number, only if number modulo 2 equals 0. The expression part, number, is only evaluated and included if the trailing if condition is met. This is concise. 3. Structure with filter. The general structure now includes the optional if condition at the very end. The process is always iterate through the iterable, check the condition, and if true, apply the expression and add it to the new list. You may combine this with the transformation technique from the previous lecture, where the expression could be number times 2 instead of just number. To summarize, we've now seen how list comprehensions can handle both transformation and filtering. Our next lecture 15.04. Product of numbers in a list. See you there.